Do you confused to understand this sentence? I have been studying. She has been working. They have been waiting. And especially since or for. Hello everyone. This is Pragna Patel and welcome back to your favorite channel Easy Speak English. Today we will learn present perfect continuous tense. સ્ટુડન્ટ્સને આ ટેન્સ ખૂબ જ હાર્ડેસ્ટ લાગે છે, બટ આપણે ઇઝી વેથી સમજીશું કે તમે ક્યારે ભૂલશો જ નહીં. સો રેડી છો? ચાલો આપણે ક્લિસ્ટર ક્લિયર કરી દઈએ. લેટ્સ સ્ટાર્ટ પ્રેઝન્ટ પરફેક્ટ કન્ટિન્યુઅસ ટેન્સ માસ્ટર ક્લાસ. We start this video with definition of present perfect continuous tense. This tense describes an action or situation that started in the past and is still continuing in the present, often emphasizing during of the action. જે કામ પાસ્ટમાં સ્ટાર્ટ થઈ ગયું હોય અને હાલ પ્રેઝન્ટમાં કોન્ટિન્યુ થઈ રહ્યું હોય તે પ્રેઝન્ટ પરફેક્ટ કન્ટિન્યુઅસ ટેન્સ કહેવાય. Examples: They have been waiting for 2 hours. She has been cooking since morning. They have been playing cricket. કામ ચાલુ છે અને કોન્ટિન્યુ થઈ રહ્યું છે. નાવ ગુજરાતી ક્લૂઝ: રહ્યો છે, રહી છે, રહ્યા છે થી ચાલુ છે. એક્ઝામ્પલ: હું 2 કલાકથી અભ્યાસ કરી રહ્યો છું.
I have been studying for 2 hours.
For 2 hours. Now formulas in deep explanation. Formulas are very important. First one is positive statement. Formula: subject plus has or have plus been plus verb ing. Now use of has been. He, she, it કે સિંગ્યુલર સબ્જેક્ટ સાથે has been આવે. એક્ઝામ્પલ: She has been singing. It has been barking. Next one, use of have been. I, we, you, they કે પ્લુરલ સબ્જેક્ટ સાથે have been આવે. એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ: I have been working. They have been reading. Now super easy trick. Have or has plus been plus verb ing. Now ing rules. We already learned this concept in present continuous tense video. Let's revise fast. Normal rule: go, going. Now double letter rule. વર્બના લાસ્ટ લેટરની બિફોર સિંગલ વોવલ હોય તો લાસ્ટ લેટર ડબલ કરી ing લગાડવું. એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ: run, running, clap, clapping. Now double vowel rule. વર્બના લાસ્ટ લેટરની બિફોર ડબલ વોવલ હોય તો જસ્ટ એડ ing. read, reading, dream, dreaming. Now remove e rule. વર્બનો લાસ્ટ લેટર e હોય તો e ડ્રોપ કરી ing લગાડવું. એક્ઝામ્પલ: ડાન્સ, dancing, write, writing. Now YW rule. વર્બનો લાસ્ટ લેટર y કે w હોય તો જસ્ટ એડ ing. એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ: play, playing, draw, drawing. Now remove e and add ying rule. વર્બના લાસ્ટ લેટર્સ ie હોય તો રિમૂવ કરી ying લગાડવું. એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ: lie, lying, die, dying. Now since versus for. This is deep concept, most important concept. Since show point of time. Examples: since 2020, since morning, since Monday, since 5 p.m. Now for period of time, duration of time. Examples: for 3 years, for 5 hours, for a long time. Now let's understand with examples. I have been working here since 2020. She has been reading for 3 hours. Now we will understand negative statement. Formation. Subject plus have or has plus not plus been plus verb ing. Examples. I have not been sleeping well. She has not been working today. Now we will learn interrogative sentence. Formula. Have or has plus subject plus been plus verb ing. Examples. Have you been traveling? Has she been crying? Now use in real spoken English. Real life powerful examples. Number 1. Continuous activity. Example. I have been waiting for you. Next one. Temporary repeated action. Example. She has been calling me again and again. Next one is showing irritation. Example. They have been making noise all day. Last one. Health and condition. Example. I have been feeling tired lately. Now present perfect versus present perfect continuous. Advanced level comparison. Let's understand with examples. First, present perfect tense. Example. I have written 5 letters. Result completed. Next one, present perfect continuous tense. Example. I have been writing letters for 2 hours. Action continuing. Easy trick for memorize. Result present perfect tense. Duration or activity present perfect continuous tense. Now let's fix common mistakes that made by students or beginners. Number 1. She has been come. No, she has been coming. Next one. Since 5 hours. No, for 5 hours. Next one. For Monday. No, since Monday. સો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, આજે આપણે પ્રેઝન્ટ પરફેક્ટ કોન્ટિન્યુઅસ ટેન્સ ડીપ લેવલ પર એડવાન્સ કર્યું. નાઉ ક્વિક રિવાઇઝ વોટ વી લર્ન ટુડે. ડેફિનેશન. યુઝ ઓફ હેવ બીન, હેઝ બીન, ing rules, formulas of positive statement, negative statement, interrogative statements, real life spoken English concept, common mistake, advanced comparison between present perfect versus present perfect continuous tense. આ ટોપિકથી તમારું ઇંગ્લિશ એડવાન્સ લેવલ પર માસ્ટર થશે. થેન્ક યુ સો મચ ફોર યોર ટાઈમ. Follow for English motivation videos. Take care and goodbye.